Hi teachers, in this video, I am going to show you how you can allow your students to respond via Google Slides or any Google documents that you add into Sky. So first thing is to add a card. In this example, I am going to add a basic text card as a title for my activity, but you can add either image, a video of you giving instructions to your students, or anything or yeah, on an audio recording may work too. So for this example, I am going to add an addition activity. So I'm going to just add a title here. Then I'm gonna add a yellow background, click save card. Next is to enable your teacher control panel. Um, so you just simply click this button right here at the bottom right corner of your lesson card. Then another panel will appear. So notice that we have two tabs inside this panel. First is the skies tab. So this is the default option for students to respond to your card. But this time we are going to add a Google slide for my activity. So I'm going to click Google. So if you have an existing worksheet or existing slide saved in your drive, you just click this drive button right here. But if you want to start from scratch, you can either select doc, sheet, or slide. So I'm gonna select drive since I have an existing document. So before you can select the document, you will need to log into Skies first, to Google rather. So I'm going to select the email address that I use to log into Skies. Also, you want to make sure that you are logging in to the same email you're using to log in to Skies. So now we have a view of our Google Drive in a floating window. So select the document you want to add. On the next part, you will be asked if you want to import all of the pages you have from that file, or you can select specific pages or ranges. So I'm going to select just page 3 for my addition activity, then click import document. So once you have clicked import, it may take a minute for Skies to, there you go, create a template for your students to use when they answer your card. So when this appears, you can simply just close it back, and then this is how it will look like on your end. For students, let's say I am NSTA2, this is how it will look like. Instead of the blue plus sign, I have this Google logo. So if I click that and I am NSTA2, it says making document. And then after a minute, Skies will open a new tab with the copy of the Google slide that served as a template for students. Notice that at the top, the name of the file ends with the student's name or username. So students can start answering your slide. So in this example, I have this activity. So they just need to drag these gingerbreads to the correct boxes. So I have 1 plus 3, so we have 4, 5 plus 5, 10, so on and so forth. So they do not need to click any save button since this is going to automatically be saved, just like this, to your drive. So this is, the students can close this. This is how it will look like on their end. On your end, you will see this. So as more students answer, this is going to turn into a stack of response cards or stack of Google slides. And so that's basically it. Any Google document that you upload or import inside your teacher control panel is going to serve as a template for your students to respond, which will eventually be, Skies rather, will eventually create copies for each of the students that responds to this card. So yeah, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send us an email at help@skieslearn.com or click this help button at the bottom right corner of your Skies page. Thank you.